Along the lines of our Working Smarter theme, here's an Illustrator file with lots and lots of layers, all of them named, all of them containing different artwork. And what is this about? Maybe I'll tell you about this in the future, but for right now, what I want to show you is a way to get this file into Photoshop, preserving all the layers and all the layer names. We've been copying and pasting as smart objects and manipulating our Illustrator work in Photoshop from there, but I haven't shown you that you can go to File, Export, and choose the format, and we'll choose Photoshop. And you can see I have already exported this, and I changed the name so that we could go ahead and do this. It's a good idea to keep the same name so you can track your files. All right, the color mode, RGB, we're working in RGB. The resolution, by default, I believe it's medium. I went ahead and changed this to high. I'm not going to click the button, so we'll leave it right there. The option, do you want a flat image? The whole point of this is to write our layers, right? Because it's better to bring this in as a smart object rather than exporting it. We're just going to flatten it. And then this anti-aliasing is what you want. I worked in sRGB for some reason in this file. Wish it were Adobe RGB, but we'll go ahead and just leave that because taking it through Camera Raw will convert it anyway. And then you'd click OK, and the file would begin to export. I'm going to switch over to Photoshop to show you what I got. And here are those layers, and preserved, and all the names are there. And it's just a smart way to work if you want to bring this work over from Illustrator. But warning, these are now vectors. These are not, excuse me, this is a raster image. There are no vectors here. We can't select individual lines. So this the upside is we get all our layers. The downside is it's no longer vector artwork that we can double click, edit as a smart object, and have it update automatically. So you get something, you give something. Depending on the situation, choose the option that works best for you. And think about those 5 words and what the heck this thing is.